Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace the CR2032 battery for Fiat Tipo, Fiat Tipo. This is the mechanical key, okay? Release the mechanical key, turn it around here, the battery is in there. So we need CR2032 battery, and then we need the screwdriver. Okay, if you look in there, you see there's a gap here, see gap, and there's a gap here as well, both of them, right? Basically, right, you just need to push the cover up. Yeah, is that push like that? See, it's open up a little bit, isn't it? Yeah, see that here as well. Yeah, so if you put a bit of force, right, to push it up like that, you see, like that here, see that? So the battery cover here need to open, right? I use the coin. I think it's a lot easier if you use the coin, right? Just open it. You see the lock sign and unlock sign? You just turn it to unlock. Okay, there's a battery here, CR2032 battery. Use a small flat screwdriver to push the battery down to release it. It's here. There you go. Yep. To replace it, yeah, put it in, go in like that. Yeah, this end, the spring end go in first. Yeah, the spring end go in first. Push it down, and then lock it. Yeah, lock it again. Just lock it. Put the cover back on. Yep. Line it up like that. See, line it up. Yeah, you just press it down. Yeah, press it down, press it all the way down. Okay, thank you for watching. Yeah, this is Fiat Tipo 2019 Fiat Tipo. Okay, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.